Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do some gaming in Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is meant for note-taking, but today we're going to turn it into a game. So I want you to type in Connect 4 or in your name or whatever title you want. So the first thing we have to do is we're gonna select all of these through H, resize, turn those to 50. Now we're gonna go 1 through 10 and resize those to 50 as well. And there you go. So we're gonna click on B and select H through 7. And then we're going to we're going to change the color to whatever you want, and then we're going to border those cells. Now, click down here, and then this is going to be the so you're going to copy and paste in the X or the O. This is kind of tic-tac-toe, but Connect 4. We're going to border these cells as well. So 9B through 9B through 9C. We're going to border those cells. And then we're going to write here, player 1. And then right here, we're going to write player 2. I made a mistake and I forgot to put a space right there. So now, down here, we're going to make the chat. I do not know what that was. So we're going to write player 1. And then press enter. Player 2 chat. And then click enter. And then we're going to go over here to the H. We're going to merge those cells, and we're going to do the same for this one as well. And you may have noticed that it doesn't show chat, so we're going to select these, and we're going to resize these to 50 just so you can see it better. There we go. And then we're going to select that, and then we're going to wrap the text to right there, and we're going to do the same for this one as well. And then we're also going to center those. So now we're going to move on to making the X and the O. So just type capital X and a capital O. We're going to resize these, or we're going to make the font size 24, make those centered, and then we can also change the color of the text. So we're going to do red and blue, just for an example. And then now we can highlight fill the color with whatever color you want. We're just going to do a light color. Just so you can see it a little bit better. And then, so how you're going to play this game is you're going to, first of all, you're going to share this with an email. And then they're gonna, so you can say, hi in the chat, and then you're gonna Control C. Oh shoot, I can't undo it. And then you're gonna, oh shoot, that's supposed to be next. Sorry. Alright, so you're gonna click on it, Control C, and then you can Control V it into the Connect 4, and then you can go up until there's 4. I did 1 too much. Oh shoot. You can go sideways on it too. And you can also do diagonal if there's X's here and above and so on. You can't just go like this because those are floating. And it has to be sort of like this. So there has to be support in order for you to do diagonal. You can't have numbers floating in order for you to get 4 in a row. You have to have support on the numbers. So guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to play Connect 4 in Google Sheets. You can play this with anybody if you have a source to communicate with each other. And I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, everybody.